Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is a point on a line segment divides into two unequal parts, that is m is to n ratio. A point on a line divides into two unequal parts, that is m is to n ratio. AB is a line segment. Point C divides into two unequal parts. That means AC is not equal to CB. That is m is to n ratio. That is two types. Number one, internally. That is internally. So that means AB is a line segment. This C in between. That is internally. Similarly, same line segment, line A, B, divides into two unequal parts externally. So that is outside. Complete from A to C is M, B to C is N. That is M is to N ratio. Here, a point on a line divides into two unequal parts internally. A point on a line divides into two unequal parts externally. This is a line segment. It is divides into externally. Internally, externally. Now we will see the proof. A point divided into a line segment is called sectional formula. Sectional formula in coordinate geometry. Let A, B be the points on a plane. Let A, B be the points on a plane. Let A means x1, y1 coordinates, x1, y1, and B x2, y2, 2 points in the plane. Next, let C, x, y, let C point divides the line AB, divides the line segment AB, line segment AB in m is to n ratio. In m is to n ratio. Let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are 2 points in the plane. A x1 y1, B x2 y2, 2 points in the plane. Let A x1 y1, B x2 y2, 2 points in the plane. Next, let C xy point divides the line segment AB in m is to n ratio. Let point C xy divides the line segment AB in m is to n ratio. This diagram shows it divides in internally. It divides internally. This diagram shows divides in externally. That is C xy point divides the line segment AB in m is to n. Point C. So this is outside of the line segment. That is externally. Line segment is AB. Line segment is AB. C is the outside, that is externally. It is divides the line segment into m is to n ratio. M is to n ratio. What is the coordinates of x and y? Here also, what is the coordinates of x and y? If a point divides the line segment AB in m:n ratio, that point coordinates we shall find out. Similarly here also, but this is internally, this is externally. First we will see the internally. AP, CQ, BR, these dotted lines are drawn perpendicular to x-axis, drawn perpendicular to x-axis. Next, AS and CT, these dotted lines drawn parallel to x-axis, by which it formed a two triangles. By which it formed a two triangles. That is the triangle ASC. Triangle ASC. One triangle. CTB. Other triangle. ASC. One triangle. CTB. Other triangle. In triangle ASC and triangle CTB, we are comparing these both triangles. Comparing both triangles. In both triangles, angle CAS, angle CAS is equal to angle BCT. Why it is equal? Since it is a corresponding angles. Since it is a corresponding angles. If you draw any line, you draw any number of parallel lines, all angles are equal since it is a corresponding angles. Since it is a corresponding angles. Similarly here also. So that means in triangle ASC and triangle CTB, angle CAS is equal to angle BCT. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Next, in same triangles, angle ASC and angle CTB. Angle ASC and angle CTB. Both the angles are right angles, 90 degrees. Angle ASC is equal to angle CTB. Right angles. As per the angle similarity theorem, if two angles in the first triangle is equal to two angles in the second triangle, it indicates both triangles are similar. Both triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ASC is similar to triangle CTB. Triangle ASC is similar to triangle CTB. As per AA similarity. As per AA similarity. That means angle similarity. Next, two triangles are similar. Then its sides are proportional. If two triangles are similar, its sides are proportional. Its sides are proportional. So that means here AC by CB is equal to AS by CT. That is equal to CS by BT. if two triangles are similar, its sides are proportional. In this both triangles, AC by CB is equal to AS by CT, that is equal to CS by BT. AC by CB, AC by CB is equal to AS by CT, that is equal to CS by BT. AC by CB is equal to AS by CT is equal to CS by BT. Here what is AC? It is ratio M. It is N. So that is AC by CB means M by N. That is equal to AS by CT. AS by CT. AS X minus X1. X minus X1 by CT. CT means X2 minus X. X2 minus X, that is equal to CS by BT. CS is equal to Y minus Y1 by BT. Y2 minus Y. So that means M by N is equal to X minus X1 by X2 minus X. That is equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. So that is, I will write here, M by N is equal to X minus X1 by X2 minus X. X minus X1 by X2 minus X. X2 minus X. Cross multiply it. Cross multiply it. N into X minus X1. N into X minus X1 is equal to M into X2 minus X. That is N into X minus N into X1, that is equal to M into X2 minus MX. Next, minus MX will come to this side, plus MX plus NX is equal to here MX2, here minus will go that side, plus here in both X is common. X is common. That is X into M plus N is equal to X into M plus N is equal to MX2 plus NX1. MX2 plus NX1. Therefore, X is equal to, X is equal to here multiplying, will go to that side, division. MX2 plus NX1 by M plus N. Therefore, X is equal to MX2 plus NX1 by M plus N. So, therefore, X ordinate at C is equal to MX2 plus NX1 by M plus N. M by N is equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. M by N is equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. That is equal to, cross multiply it, N into Y, Ny minus Ny1 is equal to My2 minus My. This Y value keep it in one side, other values other side. So that means here minus my. We cross this equal to plus. My plus ny. My plus ny is equal to my2. Here it is minus. We'll go to that side plus. That is my2 plus ny1. That is my2 plus ny1. Here y common. That is y into m plus n. Y into m plus n is equal to my2 plus ny1. my2 plus ny1. Y is equal to, here m plus n is multiplying. We'll go to that side, division. Therefore y is equal to my2 plus ny1, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Therefore y ordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Y ordinate at C is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So therefore, a point on a line segment divides into two unequal parts, that is m is to n ratio. Internally, x ordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Y ordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is one ordinate. Next, this is other ordinate. This is other ordinate. Therefore, a point in a line segment divides m is to n ratio. X ordinate is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Y ordinate is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.